Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to This House. Standing tall within the city limits of St. Louis, Missouri is a mysterious tower. But why is it here? When was it built? And what is its purpose? Let's find out. Built in 1898, the Compton Hill Water Tower is the youngest of three remaining standpipe water towers in St. Louis, whereas in 1901, more than 423 standpipe-style water towers existed in the United States. As of 2008, only about a dozen remain standing, three of which are here in St. Louis, Missouri. The 179-foot tall tower was built to disguise a 6-foot by 130-foot tall standpipe in its interior. The standpipe helped to control the dangerous surges in the city's pipes caused by the reciprocating pumps and maintain an even water pressure. The water tower was designed by Harvey Ellis, who helped to design part of the St. Louis Union Station. James P. Kirkwood selected the site of the reservoir, one of the highest elevations within the 1855 city limits. As the reservoir occupied only 18 acres of the site, Kirkwood suggested that the remaining land be turned into a park. The top of the reservoir structure was at one time covered with elevated tennis courts. The water tower was retired in 1929 after only 30 years in use, when the Howard Bend plant was put into service. The static head from the Stacy Park Reservoir in what is now the St. Louis suburb of Olivet caused an overflow of pure chemically treated water into the sewer system. The Compton Hill Water Tower was declared a city landmark in 1966 and added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1972. In 1969, Interstate 44 was constructed through the northern edge of the park, reducing the area of the park to its present size. The reservoir and water tower were renovated in 1999 at a total cost of $19 million. Occasionally, the observation deck at the top of the tower is open to the public, allowing visitors to see 360-degree panoramic views of the city. Located at the base of the tower is the statue, The Naked Truth. Unveiled in 1914, it was a gift to the city of St. Louis by the German-American Alliance in honor of Karl Schurz, Emil Pretorius, and Karl Danzer, editors of the German St. Louis newspaper Westlich Post. Controversy erupted over the statue's nudity before the monument was even built, when a jury selected the design of Wilhelm von Schneider, the only non-local sculptor in the design contest. The statue was moved to its present location south of the water tower after Interstate 44 was constructed through the northern edge of the park. The statue was designated a city landmark in 1969. Thank you all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on This House.